And David Paul is tracking the storms as they move into town. David?
Yeah, inside the Beltway for the moment you're dry, but you get outside the Beltway, really it's Highway 6 all the way out to Katy, and it is just a mess out there. Expect to be slowed down, and there will be some high water spots, especially along the exit and entrance ramps along I-10. Katy's had most of the rain so far. Lightning and thunder, has just moved off the west. Southern portions of Waller County now getting very wet there. 37 lightning strikes here during the past 15 minutes. There's the storm near Addicks, which is making it just a mess. Highway 6, where it meets I-10 on the west side, Addicks. I have the hiccups, of course. This would happen right when we have heavy weather, but bear with me. All the way out to the Grand Parkway and then out to Katy, it is just getting soaking wet out there. What I'm concerned about is that we may see some backbuilding, some redevelopment of thunderstorms right in here. Bel Air to Heartland to Sunnyside to Reliance Stadium, where we had the heavy rain on Saturday. It's saturated. If we get heavy rain developing here, we could quickly see at least street flooding. So I'm monitoring that very carefully this evening. So far, so good there. Here's the big picture. We've all had the hiccups before, right? And we expect this to move up across the area as we go through the evening. So as we head towards 622, towards 630, Cypress to Copperfield to Monville to Hempstead. In fact, Hempstead, you guys out tonight, it could have some very heavy rain. Would not surprise me if even folks near the Woodlands and Tomball downtown to near Pasadena, by the time we get into 637, had some rain showers developing as well. I did put a storm track on this thunder shower near the Addicks area. It is weakening, but it is heading west, so we'll watch it as it heads toward the Katy area, arriving there right around 5:36, this evening. All right, you can see redevelopment of thunder showers toward the southwest. That's going to move up across the area tonight, and Future Track says, yeah, overnight tonight, we could see scattered showers and a couple of thunderstorms during the overnight, only to try to clear out as we head toward lunchtime tomorrow. But 3 o'clock, you're picking up the kids tomorrow afternoon from school, scattered showers again. That will last into 5 o'clock tomorrow as well, maybe even into dinner time. Woodlands, you've got scattered sun compared to heavy rain that just moved through the Memorial Herman area. There's the 99 connector. This is I-10, 82, and the roads are wet out there on the west side. Here's your extended forecast. 83 Tuesday, 84 Wednesday. We get this strong cold front coming in on Thursday with a wind shift to the north at 20 Thursday afternoon, and that will lead to the chance for record low temperatures Friday morning down to 42. 45 Saturday morning. Looks like a lovely weekend. Excuse me. Yes. You got a good cure for the old water. Yeah, we'll try that. They left me. Thank you. I appreciate it.
This would have been hysterical if it weren't for all the weather we had.
Of course it would happen right during heavy rain and heavy weather, but...
And now you'll speak to the elementary school kids. They'll say, what's the worst thing that's happened on air? This will make the top 10.
Hiccups.
Yeah. Only you could pull off hiccups in severe weather.
I made it through.
Good job,
Thank you.